Alright folks, here we got a Kuhn Knight TMR. It's a model 3142 Reel Auggie Roughage MAXX TMR Mixer. I'm just going to do a quick walk around it to show you the quality and appearance. It's got a DIGI-Star EZ 2000V scale. Next video I'll show you that operating. Jack. There's your hydraulic outlets for the door and tray. 540 PTO. There's your hitch. Go ahead and open up the tray. The chute is open, it's got magnetic tray. Close the chute. Open it once more. Opens and closes real nice. Go ahead and open the door, please. Door's open. Close the door. Okay, open it once more. There's your augers. I'll climb up there and I'll show you the inside. Here is your tires. I'll put the size in the description. It's 14.5-19s is what they are. Go ahead and show you the underneath. It's a good solid mixer. Rear bumper on the back. Light kit. Viewing ladder going up. I'll go ahead and climb up there in a minute. Go ahead and show you this side. There's no dents or anything. Front. Overall, a really nice mixer. Go ahead and show you these tires. They're the same size, H40 by 14.5 19s. Now I will go ahead and climb up here and show you the inside. There's the inside. Go ahead and turn it on, please. The PTO. There it is, going round and round. Operates smooth and quiet. Rev the tractor up. There it is mixing. Operates really nice. Smooth, quiet. Okay, rev it down. Leave it on. Just leave it on. There's your gears. It's got heavy duty gears and chains. And them operate real quiet. You can't even hear it mix. There you have it. This unit will be sold on auction time. No reserve auction, sold to the highest bidder. Any questions, please call. And for out-of-state buyers, we got loading docks, forklifts, whatever you need, we'll get you loaded. Hey, go ahead and shut the PTO off, please. All right, close the door. Shut the chute. Walk around it once more. Show you the underneath. Nice straight mixer. A little bit of a dent here. They must have backed into something there, but no big deal. Overall, nice mixer. Thank you for watching my video.